Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make chicken marsala. Salt and pepper the chicken, then lightly flour. Sauté chicken in a large pan with oil. Cook until light golden brown, then remove. In the same pan, saute onions and garlic until translucent. Season with salt and pepper. Then add mushrooms. Cook for about 2 minutes. Add the chicken, mustard, and marsala. Cook until sauce reduces by half. Add butter and lemon to taste. Season with salt and pepper if needed. And don't forget to smile. For this recipe and more, visit kta superstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.